This blended coffee chia pudding has a smooth texture and is ready in just 5 minutes. Start by making a strong coffee concentrate by mixing instant coffee with hot water until it's completely dissolved. Then add oat milk, the coffee concentrate, maple syrup, almond butter, and chia seeds to a blender. Give everything a quick stir to make sure the chia seeds aren't stuck to the bottom, then blend for 30 to 60 seconds or until smooth and creamy. Taste the pudding and stir through some more maple syrup if you'd like it sweeter. Then divide the pudding evenly between 2 serving bowls. You can enjoy it straight away or store it in the fridge for up to 3 days. When you're ready to serve, top it with plain or vanilla yogurt and crunchy granola. And that's it. A smooth and creamy coffee chia pudding that's packed with fibre and ready in minutes. Thanks for watching and enjoy.